Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to talk about surface finishing. So surface finishing covers a lot of different ground, but it's basically the texture, the roughness or smoothness of your part once it's actually finished. So these were actually done in our CNC machine. They actually have a surface finish on them, but you can still see the tool marks inside here. And those tool marks, depending on how this is going to be used, may be okay, it may not. That may need to be removed. And surface finishing using different abrasives can produce different results. If you've got a part that needs to be Cerakoted, powder coated, anodized, you're going to want something that has more of a textured finish for that coating to actually adhere to. If you're just wanting something aesthetically pleasing that's not going to be coated, you may want to go back with a glass bead type to just smooth that surface out and give it that shiny aesthetic look that you're looking for. I've had multiple companies from aerospace to medical devices to automotive that require different surface finishes. And that's something we can help you with here at Vapor Honing. We have different machines, we can put in different abrasives, we can give you a different finish depending on what you're looking for. One company that comes to mind had some parts that had been a surface finishing done to them. They anodized the part and the part didn't come out aesthetically as they wanted it to. Those parts were all thrown into a scrap bin. They were getting ready to get rid of them. We actually pulled some of those out of the scrap bin, brought them back, stripped them back down, put a new finish on there, sent them back to them. They had them anodized again, and those parts are in service today. Saved them a ton of money over parts they were throwing away because they said they just weren't coated properly, but it was actually the surface that was the issue. So if you've got surface finishing issues, if you've got parts that need surface finishing, you need to give us a call here at Vapor Honing Technologies. We can hook you up with the right machine and the right media to give you what you want. We've got free part testing, so you can send those parts in, we can test them for you, we can find out what works best for you. Give us a call, 828-220-4983. Thanks for watching.